How to send voice messages or attachment in Google Messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to send voice messages and other attachments in Google Messages to make your chats more fun and expressive. First things first, open up the Google Messages app and then go to the conversation where you want to send voice message or attachments. Tap the audio like icon in the bottom right, and then you can see microphone like icon. Just tap on it, and then you can say anything that you want. If you want to restart, you can just tap on restart, and then just tap on the microphone icon again. And then after you're done, you can just tap on attach, and then you can tap on the send option. And then to send attachments, you'll need to go to the plus icon in the left hand side in the chat box. And then you can see gallery. You can choose photos from a gallery and send it. You can even click a picture from a camera, and then you can even attach files, your live location, send contacts in your device, and also send various gifts and stickers. So make your chats more expressive and fun with Google Messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.